Hey guys, it's Frank. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be checking out Apple's just announced 15-inch MacBook Air. I got to check out the new MacBook Air last week at WWDC and absolutely loved it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm so excited that I now have it in my own space and get to test it out. This is actually the first time the MacBook Air has been available in the larger 15-inch size. Apple first previewed the new MacBook Air at WWDC last week, and I got to check out all of the new models and colors. This 15-inch model starts with the 10-core GPU, which is up from the 8-core starting GPU of the 13-inch M2 MacBook Air. This MacBook Air can be configured with up to 24 gigabytes of memory and up to 2 terabytes of storage. And here it is. This is the Starlight color. It's kind of like a light gold silverish color. In the box, we're greeted with some documentation and this braided USB-C to MagSafe charging cable. Apple also did this last year with the 13-inch M2 MacBook Air, but the Apple stickers and charging cable are actually color matched to the MacBook Air. I think it's a really nice touch. On the left side of the MacBook Air, we have our MagSafe charging port as well as 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports. There's also a headphone jack on the right side of the MacBook Air. With this MacBook Air, you also have a choice of which power adapter you'd like. Apple's including a compact 35-watt dual USB-C charger in the box, but there's a new 70-watt power adapter also available when buying the MacBook Air at no additional charge that can be used to fast charge the MacBook Air from 0 to 50 in just 35 minutes. The 15-inch MacBook Air sports Apple's latest M2 chip, which makes doing things like editing or gaming super fast. The MacBook Air also has a fanless design, so it will remain quiet even under strenuous loads. It also weighs just 3.3 pounds. I love that it's super light and portable, which is perfect for traveling or carrying the MacBook with you in a backpack. I can honestly see myself using one of these to edit videos instead of my MacBook Pro. The new 15-inch MacBook Air is available in the same colors as last year's 13-inch M2 MacBook Air, including Midnight, Starlight, Space Gray, and Silver. It starts at $12.99 or $11.99 for education customers. Apple also reduced the price of the 13-inch M2 MacBook Air by $100 to $10.99. The 13-inch MacBook Air with the M1 chip is also still in the lineup, and it's priced at $9.99. I love that there are so many options now at all different price points, so you can really get the perfect Mac for you. The Mac lineup is honestly amazing right now. I feel like there's truly a Mac for everyone. I feel like you can't go wrong with either the 15 or 13-inch model. Both MacBook Air models are similar in features, so it really does come down to which screen size you prefer. And that's gonna do it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up below and also leave a comment down below. What is your favorite feature on the new MacBook Air? Are you getting one? Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye!